Here I've got iPhone 11 and let me show you how to remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select passwords and accounts, and now go to the Gmail, which is under accounts. And simply by tapping on delete account, you can remove your current Google account. So as you can see, deleting this account will remove its calendars and notes from your iPhone. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to get rid of this account, simply click on delete from my iPhone. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see now, by tapping on add account, you will be able to create a new one just by tapping on Google. So that's basically all. This is how you can quickly and easily remove Google account from your iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.